So the iPhone 13 Pro Max no doubt is an amazing device, but still it loses to all the latest phones in terms of design cause Apple is still using a notch which is quite disappointing. Here not to mention the notch virus is spreading to MacBooks as well, so it is here to stay in some devices. Yes, MacBooks and a few iPhone 14 variants will have a notch. But hey, Apple is innovative and is kind enough to ditch it for the iPhone 14 Pro series as seen in these renders by John Prosser and news coming in from Inchico. So yes, so Pro users in design part at least Apple is going all out. But latest news coming in from the information says the A16 Bionic CPU may disappoint us all. So the news says TSMC is facing issues in the production of 3nm process which was meant to power the iPhone 14 series. So cause of this, chances are high Apple won't use 3nm process in the making of A16 CPU. Some Weibo leaker says they might end up using same 5nm process which we saw in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. See, no doubt the A15 is really powerful, but the competitors Qualcomm's 898 Exynos 2100 are coming with 4nm process, so they'll be more power efficient if Apple ends up using same old fabrication process. Here of course not to mention Apple launches iPhone in Q4 and the same time Qualcomm also launches their next CPU. So you may even see smartphones rocking 3nm process after iPhone 14 launch. This is a serious issue. Now some news on the lineup, Apple is killing the iPhone 14 mini but launching a few new devices. The iPhone 14 Max with a massive display size, iPhone SE Plus and iPhone SE 3. Ross Young, display analyst, says that Apple will launch iPhone SE Plus in a few months. It's gonna have same design language like iPhone 8 series, which I love. And the name SE Plus, the size still remains 4.7 inch with 5G connectivity. The exciting part is the iPhone SE 3 will have a hole punch cutout and is coming with a large 5.7 inch to 6.1 inch LCD display panel. This of course will be a less expensive device aiming at $599 mark with powerful CPU. Some news coming in from China says the iPhone SE 3 will have a body language like iPhone XR, meaning aluminum frame. So yes, again in terms of design, next year is gonna be like a renovation for iPhone devices. The main difference in the iPhone SE versus iPhone 14 will be display refresh rate. Yes, all iPhone 14 variants will have 120Hz high refresh rate and the iPhone SE will stick with 60Hz LCD screen. Some CAD images of Apple MacBook Air coming in courtesy John Prosser. This look gorgeous of course, will have exciting colors and white frame on top. There's headphone jack, some USB-C port, MagSafe, really powerful Apple M2 CPU and a notch. Here notch is fading away from iPhone and making its way to MacBook, which is gonna be a new trend soon. This video is sponsored by Halo. They make smartwatches and amazing earbuds. So they sent in Mori Pods, which is wireless earbuds, comes in this nice simple case and package. And guys, I must say this device has an amazing sound quality. I've been using this for a while now and the controls, charging, IPX4 rating, mic and of course sound quality all is decent. So this is all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.